Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your YouTube TV subscription with family members, follow these step-by-step instructions to add members to your family group and allow them to enjoy the service. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Log in with the Google account that owns the YouTube TV subscription. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Family Sharing section in the Settings menu. This is where you can manage who has access to your YouTube TV subscription. Step 4. Click Set Up or Manage Family Group to begin adding family members. You can add up to 5 additional people to your YouTube TV account. Step 5. Enter the email address of the family member you want to invite. They must have a Google account to accept the invitation and access YouTube TV. Step 6. Click Send to send an invitation to the email address you provided. The recipient will receive an email with instructions to join your family group. Step 7. The invited family member must click the link in the email and accept the invitation. Once accepted, they will have access to YouTube TV with their own login and personalized recommendations. Step 8. Each family member gets their own DVR library and viewing preferences. They can watch on any device using their own Google account, and you can manage or remove family members at any time through settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.